In example 3 from the Solving Literal Equations worksheet, we're given the formula area equals 1/2 h times the sum of b1 and b2, and we're asked to solve for b1, which is why I have that colored pink. The first thing that we want to talk about or consider is the fact that we want to look at this sum of b1 and b2 as one thing. We want to treat this as one thing to isolate first. So we want to get rid of these factors before we do anything here. So in order to get rid of the factor 1/2, we want to multiply by its reciprocal, 2. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side of the equation. We just used the multiplication property of equality. The reason we do that is so that 2 times 1/2 equals 1. 2 over 2 cancels to 1. So we're left with 1h times the sum of b1 and b2 over here on the right side of the equation. And on the left, we have 2 times a. The next thing that we want to do is solve out this h. We're going to get rid of that h. So we have this times h. So we're going to divide by h on both sides of the equation. H over h cancels to 1, and we're left with b1 plus b2 equals the quotient of 2a and h. And last but certainly not least, remember we're trying to isolate b1, so we're going to subtract b2 from both sides of the equation. And we are left with the quotient of 2a and h minus b2 equals b1. So we use the multiplication property of equality in the first step. We used the division property of equality in the second step, and we used the subtraction property of equality in the final step of isolating b1. So we can say that b1 is equal to the quotient of 2a and h minus b2. And there you have it.